हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल सुमन राय। आज मैथ्स की क्लास में मैं लेकर आई हूँ सेट्स का कंप्लीट कॉन्सेप्ट जो सीबीएसई तथा आईसीएसई बोर्ड के क्लास 8 के सिलेबस में है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और समझते हैं कि ये सेट्स क्या है। व्हाट इज अ सेट? डियर स्टूडेंट, set is a collection of distinct objects, or we can say a set is a well-defined collection of objects. For example, the group of months having names begin with M. We can find it easily, March and May. So, this collection of months is well-defined and so it is a set. The set of numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What is this? This is the set of odd numbers less than 11. Next one, the set of students in your class. Yes, it is possible. So these all sets are well defined and so these examples are set. But the vegetables which taste good to all. Is it possible? No, because I used to like vegetables like gourd, bitter gourd, but you may not be like it. So it is not the example of set. We can take one more example. All good movies are set? No, because maybe you like action movies of Akshay Kumar, but I like emotional and classical movies, so we cannot define all good movies as a set. Now the set of numbers. You are familiar with the sets of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. N is the set of natural numbers. W is the set of whole numbers. Z is the set of integers. Q is the set of rational numbers. And R is the set of real numbers. Now we have types of sets. Finite sets and infinite sets. If the member of a set or element of a set can be counted with the counting coming to an end, the set is a finite set. For example, the set of oceans. The set of human beings living on earth. It means अगर हम सेट के एलिमेंट्स को काउंट कर पाते हैं तो वो सेट फाइनाइट सेट है. If the process of counting the members of a set cannot come to an end, the set is said to be an infinite set. It means अगर हम सेट के एलिमेंट्स को काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं यानी वो इनफाइनाइट एलिमेंट्स हैं तो उसे हम इनफाइनाइट सेट कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, set of rational numbers between 0 and 1. So many rational numbers between 0 and 1. We can say infinite rational numbers between 0 and 1. So we cannot count it. So it is an infinite set. Set of all points on a line segment. Can you count? No. Is it not possible to count all the points on a line segment because it is an infinite numbers. So this is also an infinite set. Now we have singleton set. A set containing only one element is called a singleton set. For example, 2. 2 is a singleton set because it is only even prime number. And we can take one more example, capital of a country. For example, capital of India is only one, so this is the example of singleton set. Now, the empty set, a set that has no element, that has no members is called the empty set or the null set. It means जिस set में कोई भी element नहीं है उसे हम empty set या null set कहते हैं. It is denoted by the symbol blank curly braces. कोई भी वहाँ element नहीं है या फिर इसे हम phi से denote करते हैं. For example, the set of people who have landed on Mars. No one. So it is the example of empty set. Next one is cardinal number of a finite set. Yes, कार्डिनल नंबर सिर्फ फाइनाइट सेट का होता है बिकॉज इनफाइनाइट सेट को तो हम काउंट ही नहीं कर सकते हैं. इट मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स इन अ सेट इज कॉल्ड द कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ द सेट. द कार्डिनल नंबर ऑफ a set A is denoted by n of A. A is the set. For example, A equal to 0, 1. So, the cardinal number of set A equal to 2. One more example we can take. Set B. Set of letters in the word book. B-double-O-K. O is repeating 2 times, but we have to write here only once. So, set B equal to B, then comma, put comma also. O, then comma. So, the cardinal number of set B equal to 3. Remember it. Cardinal number of an infinite set is not defined, and the cardinal number of the empty set is always now 0. Equal sets. Two sets A and B are called identical or equal sets when they have exactly the same element. For example, if A equal to P Q R and B equal to Q R P, then we can say A is equal to B because both sets has same element. Now equivalent sets. Two sets are called equivalent set if they contain the same number of elements which may not be exactly the same element. For example, set A equal to MAN and set B equal to BOY. There is not the same element, but their cardinal numbers are same. So we can say set A is equivalent to set B. Next one is disjoint set. If two sets A and B have no element in common, then we say that A and B are disjoint set. For example, A equal to 7, 11, 13 and B equal to 6, 8 and 10. Then A and B are disjoint sets since no element is common to them. Next one is overlapping. If two or more sets have a common element, then we say that the set are overlapping. For example, A equal to APR and B equal to BAT, then we can say A and B are overlapping sets as they have an element A is common in both. Now subset. When one set is entirely contained in another set, we say the first set is a subset of the second set and express it as A is the subset of B. For example, set A equal to collection of even numbers. Set B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So we can say B is the subset of set A. So my dear students, in the next video, I will again meet you with the solution of chapter 6, that is sets for class 8 of ICSE board. To get many more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And please press the bell icon also to get notification of next video. Please take care, be safe and pray to God that this pandemic gets over. Thank you everyone.